All right, so we are actually in Japan now. And I think the first video I'm going to make is about an experience I just had last night at the airport. So I think I kind of maxed out the amounts I can visit as a tourist on the tourist visa. Because yesterday I was like talking to the lady, the final checkpoint at immigration, and she was just telling me that I've been visiting like too much and that I need to basically take a break from it. And I totally respect the rules. I don't want to because what my plan originally was to do what I did last year, which is go to Korea and then come back. Like go to Korea for like 4 days, actually like see Seoul and everything, and then come back. And I stayed for another, I think about a month after that, a month or two. So that was what I did, but we are not going to do that again. We are going to respect the rules and just stay for the 90 days and head back to California, which is totally fine because I am looking forward to maximizing the 90 days. And honestly, that's a good amount of time already. I just gotta actually, really make the best out of it. Right now I'm in Kyoto because we are visiting my girlfriend for her birthday, and then we will be heading to Tokyo sometime probably next month. So that'll be when everything starts up and we try to really do our best with everything. But that's the story, I guess. Like I will also highlight that last year I visited primarily because of language school for the first 3 months, and then after I went to Korea and came back, stayed for about another 2 months. That was from April 4th-ish to May like 20th, around that much time. And then afterwards I came back in November, pretty much October 31st, and then left November, I think 17th. So definitely not 180 days total. That's like, those are the rules that were stated, but like, I guess it doesn't really matter what the stated rules are. It's more so like whether they see that you've been visiting too much or whether they feel that. So I'm not going to argue with them about, oh, you know, the rules are 180 days in a year. But it's just something to note that even if those technically are the rules, you will still have that talk. You know, I was honest. I was just like, oh yeah, I'm visiting a friend, technically my girlfriend, but also other friends. And then, you know, they asked like, what's your work? I was like, oh, I do freelance. And they're just asking if I booked a return flight. I didn't book a return flight because I wasn't sure like when I was gonna do the Korea stuff. I'm not doing it anymore, but those are the questions I was asked. And definitely they were taking a bit of time. Like initially when they checked my passport and I put my fingers on the thing, like, and then they were just like pausing for a good minute. I was like, oh no, something's gonna happen. And that's when they started asking questions and everything. But again, like I'm not too concerned about it. It just means like the next time, if I want to visit like soon again, I'm gonna have to just get like a proper visa. Like student visa is always a choice, but I prefer not. I'll look into it. I'm not sure entirely yet. But that's pretty much the update for that much. The story for yesterday just means that we are not going to be able to stay like the 4 months I wanted to, because I did want to go back in May for my birthday, because I'd rather celebrate it there, because I do have like a traditional like gathering. So instead of 4 months, it'll just be 3 months. So we just gotta make that 90 days as best as possible. So, and we're really on it right now. Right now we're going to the grocery store to get some stuff that my girlfriend requested, because we're gonna cook stuff. And after that, I'm just gonna set stuff up and go buy the piano. And yeah, this is gonna be a good, fun 90 days. Okay.